Look here at a wonderful golf course on the Jersey Shore, Stone Harbor Golf Club, located in Cape May Courthouse, New Jersey. This was originally designed by Desmond Muirhead and has created a wonderful masterpiece. It's across 350 acres of coastal wetland. It doesn't even feel like you're near the Jersey Shore. It almost feels, well, you're definitely near the Jersey Shore, but it's like an oasis in the Jersey Shore with premier property now. This is a private golf course that was later family owned before it was acquired in 2023. Now, it's seen some major renovations since then, but I was fortunate enough to play this course a long time ago, and I do remember some of those floating fairways that I thought was just an unbelievable engineering marvel. But Desmond Muirhead, well, he put together a beautiful golf course here. It's a par 72 championship course with 11 holes with water hazards. It had some updates by Tom Doak in 2007, but these updates, well, they still were in the same direction of both Desmond. The purchase of the property by the Heritage Golf Group sparking controversy of capital improvement plans, but it still retains a beautiful golf course, and the re-architect modern updates by other newer golf designers make it suitable, and had optimal turf and drainage changes in 2025 by Tyler Rae. This course is situated just along Route 9, but it's hidden. You can't really see it. It's kind of back there. It's recognized as one of the premier destination properties in New Jersey. It's award-winning clubhouse, food, and is recognized for outstanding dining as well. It is a masterpiece here, and I tell you what, if you ever get an opportunity to play this course, get over here and let us know down in the comment section what are your thoughts. You have the floating fairway par 5, I believe, or could even be a par 4. I think it's got to be a par 5. But this course packs an ultimate punch here. And I tell you what, with scenic views and also coastal breezes throughout the course, it is a true oasis. You don't get the green heads like you would at some of these other courses nearby, like Galway National, which still I love. I think it might even be a better design course, in my opinion. It's harder, if you want to say that. But this course is still pretty hard, and it packs a punch. It's beautifully maintained, and it has only gone up in the last couple of years. If you get a chance to play this course, or if you're learning about the history, be sure to add more down below in the comment section. We want to turn this into a Reddit type feel, and as a result, we need your help. Most people aren't going to read through a 50-page book. They're going to want to watch a 3-minute video now, and then hopefully read a couple comments from you on the history of this course. That's it for this video. Keep a lookout for more videos to come as we consistently try to find the best golf content money can buy. This is the Parfessor, an independent golf channel focused on fun, affordable golf in your area.